Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Abdullah bin Masood radiyallahu anha. Abdullah bin Masood radiyallahu anha, may Allah be pleased with him, was a very short and thin man with dark skin and poor family background. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam once commanded him to climb a tree. When other companions looked at his legs, they laughed at his lean stature. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Why are you laughing? Abdullah's foot is heavier in the balance than the mountain of Uhud." When companions were concerned that people of Quraysh have not heard the Quran being recited to them loudly, Abdullah bin Masood declared that he will do that job. Companion warned him that Quraysh will beat him up because he was so thin and short with a poor heritage and no one to protect him. Abdullah bin Masood said, "Allah will protect me." He then recited a portion from Surah Rahman loudly in front of Quraysh. So just like Sahaba warned, Quraysh beat him up. Abdullah responded, "The sweetness of faith that I experienced, I would not mind returning tomorrow and doing it again," and has to become the first person to recite the Quran publicly in Mecca after Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who liked to listen to him recite the Quran. Abdullah said, "The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, 'Recite for me.' I said, 'O Messenger of Allah, I shall recite for you, while it is to you whom it was revealed." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I love to hear from other than me." So I recited Surah An-Nisa until I reached, "And we bring you as a witness against these people." And I saw the eyes of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam overflowing with tears. I learned that if you have a dream which you set your mind to, there's nothing stop you. I love that instead of getting embarrassed about his apparent failure and agreeing that Quran recitation in front of the leaders of Quraysh was not for him, he said that he will do it again because it was the process that he truly enjoyed. He didn't care about the result because they were in Allah's hands. He simply puts his best with Tawakkal Allah, and instead of getting angry that Allah didn't protect him, he saw the glass half full and got up again after falling down. For more such type of videos, please visit our channel and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for get notification of new videos. Fi imanillah.